A U.S. court ruling that nullified the reciprocal tariffs imposed by President Trump was overturned in just one day. The appeals court has decided to maintain Trump's tariffs temporarily until the appellate ruling is made. Here is a report from reporter Moon Young Kim.
The U.S. Federal Appeals Court has accepted the Trump administration's request to overturn the lower court's ruling. In its order, the appeals court announced it would temporarily suspend the ruling by the U.S. Federal International Trade Court, which invalidated Trump's reciprocal tariffs. This means Trump's tariffs can continue until the appellate ruling is finalized. The Trump administration viewed the trade deficit as an emergency. The federal court deemed it a chronic issue persisting for decades and declared the tariff measures illegal, just one day prior. The White House claims that the court's nullification of reciprocal tariffs is judicial overreach.
There is a troubling and dangerous trend of unelected judges inserting themselves into the presidential decision-making process. America cannot function if President Trump, or any other president for that matter, has their sensitive diplomatic or trade negotiations railroaded by activist judges.
They also stated that ultimately, it's a matter for the Supreme Court and that it won't affect ongoing negotiations, reaffirming their commitment to the tariff policy. Following the White House's appeal stance, the New York Stock Exchange ended slightly higher, despite surrendering earlier gains.
We've been talking about this for a decade. You imagine the administration is not going to give up.
As the Trump administration has numerous measures available, such as expanding tariffs on automobiles and steel, or utilizing provisions of the Trade Expansion Act, the aggressive tariff policy is expected to continue. This is MBN News Moon Young Kim.